Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So we smashed through the levels that I was paying attention to for a potential rejection. So nothing wrong with that, but again, we are above the moving averages. So you can see what's been going on the last 4 weeks. So it has been below the moving averages, above the moving averages, below the moving averages, above the moving averages. So all intents and purposes, we're still stuck in this big range. Nothing really that we can argue about that. This potential head and shoulders pattern is not over yet. We do need to break through that area there for that to be mitigated. So that is the right shoulder there. But the way things are looking at the moment, I think you have a flag here, so could be a rejection here for another move down for a lower low, or it could be sort of a little bit of a move down, come and test structure, and then a break of this channel to the upside. So either or, difficult to ascertain which one it is, but I suppose it's safe to say that the bulls are pretty much still in control, and the bears are not really getting things going. So this is the last couple of weeks. You can see red week, green week, red week, green week. So the pattern is continuing. So we do have a bit of data today. The earnings season really kicks off today half-heartedly. Really starts getting going tomorrow and Tuesday. But yeah, nothing really you can add to it on the 3-hour. It's just above and below the moving averages, which is confusion. So we're missing all the key levels. You can see how we're just blasting through all these levels. If I just get this one, just move it onto the tails, and you can see straight through that tail there, straight through. Came back to test it though. But anyway, so every single level that you can think of, there's another fairly solid one there, straight through it, and now above all the moving averages. So I'd be reluctant jumping in long up here. We do have a trend line, so I would obviously be looking for some kind of a pullback onto structure, and those two there would probably be the ones that we need to pay attention to. This is fairly close to where we are. We do have this inside bar here, hanging man type structure, pin bar, but anyway, I'm not even going to pay attention to it. I think what we're looking for at this stage, we should be looking, because it should finish green. So either we're going to break through and finish green, or it's going to pull back onto some structure, and then we get an opportunity to move up, and we close on this trend line. But if we just get down to the levels that we're going to be trading, it's just going to make life a bit easier for us. So you can see here, when we did the videos, we're above all the moving averages, so we need to look for structure. Hindsight being the perfect science again. There was a clear break here of a level. There is the level there. That's at 15,803, and you can see we had a pin bar pretty much on a pullback above the moving averages. The only thing that was not bullish was the oscillators, and we got going. We'll look at that on the 15-minute now. But I think for me, we do have this 3-hour level here, and then these tails here would be the next bit of structure, and I'm just going to use one of them, but you can see these other 3 here that you need to watch as well. So from an hour perspective, we're looking for a pullback onto 15,922 and 15,878, and obviously 1600 here is the key. You can see that's kind of where we closed on the cash market. After hours, we've popped up above it, so I would expect that to be looked at later on this morning. I expect us to flirt with this, possibly even just range until we get the data later on and then break through. But if we just get down to 50-minute, because now that's what we're really interested in seeing today. First things first, there's the pullback onto that level, and you can see inside bar on it. Oscillators crossed over, great opportunity there at the open for that long, although it wasn't quite what we were looking at. We were looking for a rejection higher up. nevertheless, that's be that as may. So for now, I think it's safe to say the trend is up. We do have overhead resistance here, so you don't want to be jumping in just yet. I'm looking for another setup like this that we got yesterday. So looking for a pullback onto one of these tails, and I can fine tune this now. There's the tails there, there's a tail there, and there's the other tails over there. So you're looking for a pullback between 15,992 and 15,922. For today, we're looking for a daily close above 1600. 1600 has been that thorn on our side for so long. So just don't assume that you're going to jump through it. I think wait to see what actually transpires. So that's kind of me for today, looking for the pullback onto either 15,922 to 15,878. Sorry, why is my chart doing that? We've got 15,992 there, and then we've got 15,992 there. 15,992, this is not, sorry, 15,992, 15,922. That's really early in the morning stuff. Anyway, so 15,992, 15,922, those are the two levels, and then 15,878. That's the next one that I would also be paying attention to. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Don't forget to drop us a thumbs up and a comment, and we'll catch up with you later.